Welcome back, Year 9. This is Lesson 6, Combined Index Laws Revision. So today's lesson is basically a revision time for all the laws that we've learned. So our learning intention is simply to use our understanding of all the index laws to simplify algebraic expressions. Our success criteria will be our ability to apply all the index laws we've learned to simplify algebraic expressions. Right. These are the laws that we've learned. And all these laws are true for all values of A and B being non-zero and using integer values for M and N. So the first law is the multiplication of power, our powers. If I have A to the power of M times A to the power of N, then we simply add the powers if we are multiplying our bases together. Second law is division. A to the power of M divided by A to the power of N is simply A to the power M minus N. So when we are dividing with the same base, we subtract the indices. The first one, we add the indices. Second one, we subtract the indices. Then we have the power of power. When a power is raised to another power, like A to the power M, raised to the power N, becomes A to the power M N. We multiply the powers, the indices. When we're expanding brackets, that was our law 4. A times B to the power M means we distribute the power M to all the terms we have in the bracket. So A to the power M and B to the power M. We get rid of the bracket, and every term inside the bracket, we distribute the power to them. Then when we are dividing inside a bracket raised to a power, that was our law 5. Again, A over B in brackets raised to the power M simply is A to the power of M and B to the power of M. Then we did the zero law, that for the base A not being 0, then A raised to the power 0 is 1. So any base number raised to the power 0 is also equal to 1. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 7 to the power of 0 is 1. And then we did negative indices. A to the power minus M is simply 1 over A to the power of M, where A is non-zero. Equally so, we can also say that A to the power of M is equal to 1 over A to the power minus M. We can also say that. That is also correct for this law. So A to the power M equals 1 over A to the power minus M. And we're applying all these laws to solve problems. So you can pause the video here and copy these questions in your math books, solve them, show the working out. Thank you. So let's move on to the next. Again, you pause the video and please write these questions in your math books and solve them, showing your working out and all the laws you're applying. Thanks. Please pause video, copy these questions in your math books, and please solve showing or working out. Thanks. Again, we pause, please, and copy these questions in the maths books and solve them, showing working out. Thank you. We do the same here again. We pause the video, write the questions down, and solve, showing working out. Thanks. Let's pause the video again and copy this question in your maths books. Show working out, and then continue. So in today's lesson, it's been the combined index laws revision to understand how to apply all the index laws to simplify algebraic expressions. Success criteria was application of the index laws to simplify algebraic expressions. And if we have done all the questions today, please, what you need to do is you now need to mark your work. If your answers are different from the answers provided and you can understand why the answers are different, good on you. But if you cannot, please post your questions on Classroom, Google Classroom, and I'll be there to assist. Right. If you finish every work and you still want to do some further work, online homework is located on Education Perfect platform. I know it's not been working properly lately. Check and see if it is up and running, and you can do some work. If you are not in a position to do any homework, that's also fine during this time of remote learning, because I have set the online homework to be optional. Thank you very much. Remember to do the checkout at Google Classroom once you finish watching this video, so that I know that you've completed today's lesson. And of course, if you do have some time, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to, please. The channel name is Tabi Maths. Thank you very much. Now, following this will be the answers to the problems in today's video. So these are the answers. You can pause and mark your work. Again, you can pause and mark your work. Again, pause and mark your work. And thank you very much for your participation for today's lesson. Very much appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.